Hey, if you're seeing a corrupted game error in Tinfoil, that can be really annoying. But here's how to fix it. First, fully power off your console. Turn it off completely, wait a few seconds, then power it back on and try installing the game again. A corrupted SD card is one of the main causes. Remove your SD card and check it on a PC for errors. If needed, repair or reformat it to FAT32. If the game file itself is corrupted, re-download it from a trusted source. Make sure the file is complete and matches the correct version for your system. Sometimes leftover cache or temporary files in Tinfoil can trigger this error. Delete the Tinfoil cache files on your SD card. Outdated custom firmware or SIG patches can also cause game corruption errors. Make sure everything is updated to the latest compatible version. And if the error still persists, delete Tinfoil and install a fresh copy. Follow these steps and the corrupted game error should be fixed. Should